Hi guys, let's go harvest some carrots.
Sobrang dikit-dikit yung pagtanim ko, ano? Kasi ano siya, direct sowing yung ginawa ko dito. As you can see, sobrang dikit-dikit nila. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to pull out some of them. Yung medyo malaki na yung base niya, we're gonna pull it out to free up some space for other ones. So let's see guys. Alam ko dito, meron na akong na-pull out kanina eh. Itong tatlo na to galing sa garden bed na yan. Yung mga ito naman galing yan doon. It came from there. So let's try to pull out some guys. From now on, ganito yung gagawin ko. So kapag ka merong ano na, medyo malaki-laki na yung base niya, wag dito kasi parang kaka-pull out ko pa lang dyan eh. Maghanap tayo ng something else. Actually ito pwede na to eh. This one guys, pag medyo malaki na yung, medyo mataba na yung tangkay niya, kagaya nito, yung pinaka base niya ba, ayan, pwede na siyang i-pull out kasi magagamit na to eh. Ayan, para to free up some space para naman lumaki yung iba natin na ano dito, carrots. So dito, let's pull this one out. Ooh, this one. Merong mga maliliit na gustong sumama yan. Ayan. As you can see. Gagamitin na natin ng mga yan. It's either yung mga maliliit pa itanim natin ulit. It's either we're gonna give it to the parrots or we're gonna cook it. And then this one kasi malaki-laki na siya guys. This one guys, malaki-laki na yung tangkay niya. So we're gonna pull this out also. See? Yan, mga ganito kalaki pwede na mapakinabangan yan. So let's leave some for another time, ano. But ganito ang gagawin ko from now on. Mga every now and then I'm gonna pull out some, especially yung medyo malaki-laki na yung mga ano niya, tangkay niya. Let's pull this one out. Ayan, see, mga ganitong size, okay na siya eh. Let's check the rainbow carrots guys. So ito naman ang rainbow carrots dito sa kabilang row. So let's see. Pag medyo malaki-laki na yung tangkay ba yung tawag dyan guys? Yung pinaka base niya, kagaya nito pag medyo mataba na yung base niya, kagaya nito, I'll show you. Ito guys, daming dahon na. Ito guys, this one. Tanggalin muna natin yung mga dahon. This one, as you can see, mataba siya. Mataba siya compared to the rest of them. So let's pull this one out. See? Mga ganito kalaki, okay na yan eh. So we can free up a space for other carrots to grow. So we can harvest the other carrots later. Yung iba nag-loosen up. So what you gonna do pag na-loosen up yung iba? Tatanim mo lang sila ulit. I mean, ano mo lang sila. Ito parang okay na to eh. This one guys, ito, malaki na yung ano niya eh. Malaki yung base niya. So normally kapag malaki na yung base niya, ay pwede na yan siya. So let's pull this one out. See? Mga ganito kalaki. Okay na yan siya. And then, medyo ano lang natin yan. Tapos isa pa dito. This one. This one guys, medyo malaki-laki na yung ano niya, pinaka base niya. Let's pull this one out. See? Mga ganito kalaki ay okay na yan. So, marami na akong na-pull out from today. I guess that is all muna for now. And let's leave the other ones alone for next time. Let's harvest some carrots. Look guys, it's big already. Look at this. Yes, this is good enough for now. Let's try this one. I guess that is all for now, because everything else is really small. Let's see, maybe we should take this one out. Ay! Nadala yung isa. Just so we can free a space. So let's take a look at guys, ilan lahat yung mga na-harvest natin, ano? As you can see, ang dami. See? Oh, diba? See? Napakaraming carrots. Carrots from this garden bed. And that one over there, diba? So many.